Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. So as you know, we're going to have a very nice week, a very nice winning streak. Why I say that? Because when you tell yourself something like that, you actually saying that I'm going to follow my rules. I'm going to follow the plans because things don't just happen; they happen after a reason. You don't just go there and expect to win without anything. So we put out the work, then yeah, things tend to like what we do. So let's start with AUD, AUD USD. You can see on a 4-hour time frame the market is on this support at the moment. You see that the market created something like this, and this is the third time, which means we might see the market doing another run going up like that. But remember, because since here the market started pushing lower, so we call that a downtrend, so which means we can just wait for the market to break that area before we say we can buy. Yes, it's not like we're going to be late. We're not going to be late. Sometimes when you follow the rules, it's better to be late than to jump on some stuff. You can see here the market was just creating this nice move. Look what happened here. So for us to say we buy, we see that this is a support, so we need the market to break this lower high here. If it can break that, it means we will be out of this resistance. Then after, it's where we can say maybe we can wait for a retest before the market can push higher. I hope you understand that. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Don't forget that we have a special which is just $10. It's lifetime $10. You get like VIP signals. Pay once, you forget, something like that. Easy. If you can't afford that, I guess I tried, guys. I can't go like to $5. So I think $10 is the minimum. Because I think in South African rand it's like 150 something. You see, so here the best thing that you can do on AUD USD, wait for the market to break out here before you see I need to buy. So if maybe the market doesn't respect this support here, we'll see the market pushing lower like that. Then we can say the market is actually breaking the support, which means we're still going to see another sell-off. I hope you understand it. So let's move to the next one. Today I won't take your time. I don't want to make these videos very long, but as long as it's the things that you guys are trading, it's fine, guys. It's fine. It's not like maybe we do stuff that people they don't trade. So we have USD, JPY. The market is on a bullish momentum. You can see that. So after that, we see that out of this bullish momentum, you see the market was just, then we see a breakout here, then the market came back and retested. Now the market is pushing up. So that's why I even tried to mark this as an area, another bullish momentum. Again, this is another new uptrend, which can still connect to this area, but this one did not reach there. I was just trying to test if that is gonna connect, but if not, we can just leave it like that. We can wait for the market to reach this area and push up. But this is a very nice retest, guys. This is a nice retest. So mostly if you see a retest like that, like this one here, mostly the market won't come back and do the same thing. The market can keep pushing higher and higher because this is a clear retest. And it's funny because these things, they just repeat themselves. When we say wait for the market to retest, look, exactly on the same line the market came back before it can push it higher. That's why we should wait for a retest. So if you just jump, it's also fine as long as you know what you are doing. That I don't think maybe it's a problem. So let's move to the next one, which is which one? Let's just use GBP USD. Let's try to see what happened. Let me remove this. So this is GBP USD. It's on a downtrend. I hope you can see that. What is this? It's on a downtrend. You see that. So I did this analysis for someone. I think it's my student. So she was saying here the market is about to buy. I said yes, but we are on a bearish momentum. So it means the market can just keep going lower and lower. So the best thing that we can do, we can wait for the market to reach this area. Around this areas, it's where we can say we're going to sell. Why? Because we follow the trend. We don't just trade. We just follow the trend one way or another. So if you don't follow the trend, it means you're no longer following the strategy. So you will be messing things up. You see, so the best thing that you can do, follow the trend. Guys, it's in Forex, we're going to lose and we're still going to make money. So the best thing that you can do is have the rules, set of your strategies, trading plans, risk management, all those things. They can really help you. You see. Okay, that is the speaker. So here what we see is we waiting for the market to reach these areas around this. As long as it can give us the higher lows, then we can say, you know what, let's sell from that area. But now we can't do anything unless if the market keeps pushing lower. Let's say maybe here. Let's say the market breaks this support here, which is not really strong. We can say, okay, we can continue selling. But beside that, it means we need to sell here. For you to buy, wait for the market to break this resistance and say maybe you can wait for a retest before you can say I need to jump in. Don't just jump in without without the market confirming to the stuff that you follow. If the market is confirming, yes, you can just jump on the market, easy as that. So German 40, okay. Since we opened German 40 or German 30, because these days we have, it's called German 40. So we can say DEX 30 / 40, because still somewhere they do not change, not every broker changed that. So here what I see is, we see that the market is on a very nice bullish momentum, or you can call that an uptrend. So here actually I think the market, if you missed, because I think the market already respected that, so if you missed, I don't think maybe you should just jump in, but I think the market is still going to push higher. So I can say it's still safe to enter. So something like this, around this area, you can have your stop loss here, then something like that. So I am expecting the market to really push higher. I like this retest because when the market is running like this, we're supposed to have something like where the market it's breathing. The market has to take a break. That's how the market is supposed to move. But when the market is creating this kind of move, sometimes we just don't get the area where we can enter. But when we see these rejections, we get happy because there is where we can find the opportunity. I hope you understand that. So DEX 30 or 40, I see bullish momentum pushing up. Unless if this support is broken, then we can say the market might push lower, which is also possible. We don't have to force the market and say the market won't do this, the market no. If it breaks this area, it's fine. We'll look for a sell position. But since I don't sell indices, those who sell, they can still sell. They can still make a lot of money. Yeah, which I only buy these areas. So it means I'm good here. So I can have some entries around here and pushing higher. I hope you understand that. So let's move to DXY. Now we go into the bigger boys. So currency, USD currency index, it's on a bullish momentum. If you did not watch my previous videos, it's your job to go back and watch that so that you can understand what's really happening. But you can easily see that we are on an uptrend. Simple as that. Firstly, identify the trend before you even analyze. Just try to see where the trend is going. When you identify that the trend is pushing up, you can see the trend is pushing up. In your mind, you should know that, okay, on this pair or instrument, it means I'm going to look for only buy positions. So from there, it's where you start to do the analysis. You start to draw those things, the lines, whatever. Let's try to zoom this one. We can just say, okay, we are on a 4-hour time frame. We saw a breakout out of this resistance and a very, very nice retest. Then you can see the market was just pushing up like this. So it means this is a very, very strong bullish momentum. So out of this retest here, you might see the market pushing higher and higher. It's possible. It's possible. This thing has been pushing higher for some time now. So there is that possibility that it can still keep pushing higher. So I hope you understand. Unless if maybe it breaks this area, then it comes back here. We can say maybe it will respect this area. If not, maybe we'll see the market pushing lower and lower. Anything is possible in the market. You should know about that. So let's check S&P 500. We take time to do this one. So S&P 500 here, it's 4-hour time frame. Nice, very clean uptrend. Let me write this thing for you. S&P so that you can see what I'm doing here. So it means now we have you see the market has been just respecting this support here, which shows that, okay, the support is very strong. So what you can do is just wait for the market to reach this area, then you buy. Wait for the market to reach this area and buy. But the way it's been respected, it's respected several times, guys. So it's possible that this area can be broken easily because it's been tested like more than 6 times. So it means it was very strong, but it can't keep up very long. We might see the market doing its thing, then we might find that the market is going to take a different turn because the market won't just go straight up. The market has to come back and create some bearish momentum just to breathe, the way it's doing. But I like this sell-off here, which means the market can still kick up because we see that this area, the market did not play around this area. So this is like, it's not like overbought because the market has been here, then pushed lower, the market reached that area, pushed lower, reached that area. So it means the market can easily push higher. These prices are not new to the market, so it means the market used to these areas. Even if they were high, they were very high before, now they're no longer very high because the market spent like almost 2 to 3 weeks or there or something like that. I hope you understand that. So we are on a bullish, so you should look for only those buy positions, unless if the market breaks this support, you can say, now I'm looking for something to do what? To sell. So what you can do is do something like this. Your stop loss should be below the support, but it should also make sense according to your account size, because you can't just say it's supposed to be below the support, but when you check, it's like 100 pips away. Then when the market reaches there, you just lose everything. No, it's not supposed to be like that. As long as it qualifies with your account size, then you can just put it where you feel like you're not going to lose much. So sometimes, so stop loss, when we do the analysis, stop loss is not like stop loss and take profits. It's not like one size fits all, because people, they have different accounts, they use different lot sizes. So you might find that putting it here and maybe entry here, when the market reaches this area, the person that you gave the signal, maybe they're going to blow the account or lose very much. So we're not supposed to do something like that. You should know you should know your account. Then wherever that we do there, you're going to modify, and that can suit your account. I hope you understand that. So let's go to the next one, which is gold. Let's go to gold. Okay, gold, it's been like flying, guys. It was like going to the moon. So as we see that the market was just jumping up, then the market is now breaking that area. So we want to see if the market is going to respect this. Now it's going to be the support, even if before it was a resistance. It means when it reaches this area, we want to see if it's going to be respected. You will see some very small bullish candlesticks. We might see the market pushing up again, or maybe the market is going to break this area and keep pushing lower. And I think if it keeps doing that, we might find our support around 1790, around this area, unless if maybe the market decides to break that also. We'll be saying some different stuff. Maybe tomorrow, Wednesday, or some other days, we'll be doing the analysis. So I can't analyze for tomorrow or some other days. We're looking for today here. So we expect the market to respect here. If not, it's going to be broken. We'll just see what is going to happen. The best thing that you can do is, whether you are a good trader or a good analyzer, make sure that you sometimes, or not sometimes, always wait for the market to give you those structures that you can work with. Because sometimes if you just jump on the market like you already know what is going to happen, sometimes you will get things wrong. Wait for the market to create those structures, then you can connect, you can able to connect your lines and other things. Waiting is a key in the market. I hope you understood that. So let's go to US oil. US oil has been like selling like real crazy. So this sell off, I don't think is going to continue like this. I don't know if the lines are correct. Let me see. We can just do them like this. So, and since with this type of a sell-off, I expect that the market to recover very nicely. The market can even reach this area. And with this type of sell-off, the market can reach there very quick. Very quick. So watch out for this, but I'm not going to trade. I don't really trade oil. I lost last time when I trade oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it like this. Maybe those who want the signals, they will have to, maybe they will take the signal. But I see this thing can really push higher. We can see that we on the support. But remember, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, and even if you try to connect this area, you will see that this thing is still really pushing lower. But we have a support around this area. It's not really a support actually, sorry. It's just a lower, higher low that we found before here. And when we try to, we look with the current price here, we see the market really moved, never break this area. But when we look at our left, maybe we can say it's because of this area, not 100%. Remember that. It's not like we 100%, because we have so many areas that the market can still respect. So we can't just be sure on one thing. But since we've drawn this, and since the market is turning around that similar area, that's why we say maybe that is because of that, something like that. So we expect the market to push higher, or maybe the market will break this support and keep selling. So yeah, something like that. I hope you understand. But please take care, because this thing can sometimes go crazy. So we are on NASDAQ 100. This one is also like really bullish. It's way too bullish, guys. So the time US30 is selling off, NASDAQ has been like really pushing higher. NASDAQ is really pushing higher, which is a good thing, or which is something that I like about NASDAQ. It always pushes higher, or it doesn't take time to recover. So some sort of US30, they take time. So when you trade NASDAQ, you know that one way or another the market will come back very quick. I hope you understand that. So now we are on an uptrend, you see that. So obviously you can buy here, wait for the market to sell a little bit before it can push it higher. I hope you understand that. So we can even zoom that. So wait for the market to push little bit, maybe you can say around this area. Yeah, but it's the same. The market to reach these areas before you can say, you know what, the market might push up. Or maybe let's say the market breaks this area, we can say the market is going to sell off, if that is going to be broken, because that is our support area which has been respected for some time. So yeah, I hope you understand that. I don't think there's much, this thing is just straightforward, guys. I don't think maybe there's much that I can add on this. So let's go straight to US30. US30 has been selling off, you can see that, but it seems like we found something like you see this, I hope you see this. We found something like, I don't know if the market will respect that, but it seems to be a nice support. So the market really moved very quick from that area, then it's pushing up. So if you are in some entries around this area, it's better sometimes to hold, because the market can reach this area very easily. Why? Because the market has been there. It's not like it's creating some new higher highs, whatever. I mean higher new highs. It's actually coming back where it used to be. So it's easy for the market to come back to that area. I hope you understand that. So I think it's a good time to buy. You can wait for a small sell-off before it can push it higher. I think this is a very good opportunity that you can have, as the market is very low. This is a very nice sell-off. Then if the market pushes higher, it's where you can say, you know what, the market can give you some nice price. But at the moment, we have to just wait for a small, let me see, for a very small, let me see, a small rejection, because the market already moved away from that. But you can still jump on it, it's up to you, but I don't think it will be safe to do that. Wait for the market to create something like this, then get on the market when the market is creating something like that. I hope you understand that. But let's say if the opposite happens, maybe we might see the market pushing lower again, respecting this area, pushing up again, or maybe pushing lower, breaking this area that we call our support, and pushing lower and lower. I hope you understand that. So on US30, I think it's also quite simple, but I think at the moment is the one which is very interesting, because the rejection or the sell-off is like really very strong. So that can give us an opportunity to do what? To buy. Okay. On German 30 or German 40, I already covered this one. I'm sorry, I'm not going to cover it again. Let's go to France 40. France 40, also something like this. You can see that we have like a really bullish momentum. The market is really like pushing up. Just look what happens here. This is a very nice bullish momentum, but as I told you, like I think it's Friday, look where I said, you see I marked this area, I said this area might be our support, or this area might be our support. But look what happened. The market really respected this one. So we expect to do what? The market to push higher. Maybe it will come back again here before we see the market pushing up. Maybe we will change our mind when the market is going to break the support and push lower. But at the moment, we're still like seriously bullish on these indices. They're all going up. So this is what I like about trading indices. Trading them there, it's very quite simple. They don't complicate. Everything is just straightforward. If they go up, they go up. I hope you understand that. So Thanks guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget that we have that special, which is $10 lifetime VIP signals. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button guys. Share with your friends, share with your friends, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex.